Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's Nelo here as always. You guys already know that with a full face of makeup comes the start of a vlog, okay? Yeah, I'm so excited. I seriously did this makeup for nothing today. So for that reason, at least you people watching this vlog, you've seen the fine makeup since nobody might get to see this makeup. But yes guys, welcome back to another vlog, and my nails are done. So I've not done my nails in like 2 months. It feels like forever because I love do my nails. So you guys are going to be seeing a lot of hand movements. Get used to it throughout this vlog, okay? It's a thing. It is a thing, so just get used to it. You guys don't understand how much I'm feeling myself today, but I'm so feeling myself. And to think that I just did this makeup for nothing, I didn't even film any YouTube video or anything. I just did makeup today and I'm loving how I look, and at least I've gotten some really nice pictures. In fact, I'm gonna insert some here, as you guys can see. Yes, I got some nice pictures thanks to NJ. NJ is such a darling. You guys can see her there. NJ, say hi to the camera. NJ is such a darling. She didn't do her makeup today, so she's hiding her face. But because I did makeup, to be honest, we'll probably look for somewhere to go and run some errands. The children don't have snacks for school again and wrapping and stuff like that. So I'm going to go and probably buy things like that. And to be honest, just anywhere the car takes us, we'll go there. Just people have to see this makeup, not only you people watching this vlog. In fact, people need to see this makeup, okay? Can you guys see the hand movement? Okay. But yes, today is Monday. Kobe and Kaka are in school, and some of you, not some of you, a few of you that probably knew asked me in the comment section, Kobe, Koko, and because I always say Koko and Kaka, their full names are, Kobe's own is Kobe Chukuha, how big God's heart is, that's the meaning, and Kaito's own is Kaito Chuku, let's praise God. So that's the full name and the meaning of their names, just for the people that are new here. I love you all so much. Welcome to the gang, okay? That's it for me today. I'm probably going to rest for, I'm going out, but I cannot promise I'm wearing these jeans out. I'm probably going to wear my jalabia as always, just because it's my comfort clothes, okay? I just love boo-boo, jalabia, whatever people call it, but I'm probably going to switch to that, but with my full face and everything, and then head out, and I'll catch up with you guys soon, okay? So guys, it's Tuesday morning. Wait, I don't even know how to sit. So it's Tuesday morning and I'm holding this camera weird because I don't know where my tripod is. Uche, where is my tripod? That thing I is holding my camera. Did you see it? I saw it. I'm looking for my tripod. It's Kaito, definitely. Meaning is Uche. Anything Kaito does is Uche that did it. He's always taking my tripod. And I'm making Uche's hair now. But once I finish, I'm heading out to go to a bookshop because Kobe's obsessed with doing his assignments here. So I want to get him some workbooks that I will pretend like is his assignment from school. He has a lot of workbooks, but he knows his home book and his assignment book. So I want to get him some that I'll pretend like he's from school, so that when he doesn't want to play with his workbooks anymore, I'll not give him that one and say, come and do your assignments. So I hope that works. I'm going to go buy him some books today. And what else? I have to enter the bank today. I can't remember the last time I entered inside the bank, but I have to enter the bank. I need to make a withdrawal, and I don't have internet banking and all those things for that account. So yeah, I have to enter the bank. And then what else? I probably have Sikelechi to pick up 1 week that she helped me collect from the guy that wigged it. And yeah, I think that's pretty much what I have to do for today. Nothing much. Then probably rest and do school runs. But yeah, I'll carry you guys along today. Let's see how today goes. Did you see it? Why you? Come and sit down. See the fine hair that I'm making. Oh, wait, hold on. This thing focus. See how fine the hair is. Even though she'll think it's not fine, but it's sure fine in my eyes. You guys, I want to show you what I paid like 9K for. That is still annoying me. I'm even trying to hide it so Kobe won't see it. Yeah. These two books, this watercolor, this pencil case, these papers, gum, pencil, and sharpener literally cost me almost 9,000 naira now, and I'm so pissed, I swear. When I was a kid, to be honest, I feel like if I had to do my project, 200 naira was enough to buy everything. I mean, I know it's my fault. I didn't like go to the market or anything. I don't like to stress, okay? But even at that, like when I bought the cardboard, it's not really cardboard, but it's like cardboard. It was like 400 naira each, and I bought like 3. And then that pencil case was like 1K. Pencil, that one pencil is 400 naira. One single pencil, and that's Kobe's favorite pencil. Like, he has all those other ones of 50 naira, but he really doesn't like them. He's always asking for that blue pencil, so I had to buy it. And then the watercolor cost about 2K, the books 1K something, 1K something. Point of the story is I ended up paying like 9K. It was 8,006 or 8,700 for just Kobe to be able to do his project. I'm a little bit pissed, to be honest. I won't even lie, but oh well, things to do for our children. Now I want to make abacha. After I picked them from school, I stopped by the market and bought some things. Let me show you guys. It's getting very nasty, but yeah. So this is the fish. I'm about to wash the fish and the pomo. This is pomo for the abacha. And then I have okpa. This is Francis' favorite part of eating abacha. Actually, he loves okpa so much. So I'm going to wash the pomo, put it inside this pot, start cooking. I'll wash the fish and fry it. Because once these two things are ready, abacha is basically ready. So guys, this is my dinner. This is a large quantity, I know, and I love the head of fish, hence why there's head here. This, NJ, you don't know what you're missing. NJ says she does not want to eat. NJ's eating fish and doing Kobe's what's it called, project, or helping Kobe do his project, and I'm eating abacha. Oh my god, we need to taste this. Drop him here. Oh yeah, say good morning, mommy. Say good. Good morning, my kite. How are you? Fine. Kobe.
Good morning, mommy.
Good morning, Kobe. Uche, Kaito has entered the car. Oh yeah. Oga, I know you're going to enter bicycle now. Kaito, are you talking to your friend? Every time you want to do assignment, to first thing, I want to do my assignment. Has he not finished the assignment? So what are you giving him? Uche, they will tear that assignment book. Do whatever pleases you. Kobe is doing his school project. Koko, what color are you painting? What color is this?
Purple.
Purple. Look at mommy. Good job, Coco. Give him another color now to continue. Let me wash the brush. Let me wash it for him. Meanwhile, see the main project here. I cannot wait to see the finished product of what is going on here. Look at the measurements. Just Nena. He just brought our lights. Just look at this watercolor that cost me 2,000. Better use it well. Use all the colors. Coco, they brought light. Do you want to watch TV? Just look at Let me watch the brush. Give him another color. Let mommy wash it.
So that you paint.
Coco is painting his. What color is this?
Green.
Green. Good job. This my Kobe is a good painter.
It is.
Say hello, mommy.
Hello, mommy.
Look at the camera. Say hi, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's a calamine lotion.
Here will be light blue, this background. Here now. And here will be brown.
You guys, today is public holiday. Today is Wednesday, Democracy Day. So we're using today to finish up Kobe's project. Kobe is there helping, but obviously NJ is doing more of the work, and NJ is leaving us tomorrow. My heart is broken. I can't believe NJ is leaving us tomorrow, but I'm going to utilize her today. Plus, we're going to see a movie today. We're going to see Dark Phoenix today, and I can't wait. I like Sophia Turner. That's her name in real life, but Sansa from Game of Thrones. So yeah, the movie seems like it's going to be interesting, so we're going to go and see it later today. You guys, see who is leaving me today. I'm so sad. I'm so sad, guys. I'm sorry. I'm so sad. NJ is going. NJ, take.
What should I do?
Vlog.
Hey guys. Chinelo, please take.
You finished vlogging. What's hey guys? Chinelo, please take. Tell them you're leaving, that you hate us, you don't want to stay with us anymore.
Everything, opposite of everything Chinelo said.
Goodbye, my angel.
Please stop joking, because before you know it will turn to real cry.
I'm not going to cry. I'm not a child anymore. You think it's those days that I'll cry when you're going. It's okay, even if I want to cry, I cry alone in my room when you're gone. I wonder why you're feeling yourself.
I don't know. Take this up. Oh, this is a lot better. Hey guys.
But Kobe and Kaito will not miss you.
Kobe will miss me so much. And Kaito will miss me too. Nobody to call Auntie.
Kaito the local.
Auntie?
But he say AJ.
I've not heard him say AJ. Yeah,
I called AJ. He just repeated AJ. AJ.
My Kai.
Kaito is just adorable. The way he talks. At this age, Kobe could not say one word.
It's because he has Kobe. That's why he can say all those things.
Kobe could not say a word. Koluche.
See my big eyes. They are not as big as yours, Nelo. I asked your follower.
Biko. Anya muna Chineka kenkonye kaibu.
Mepesa of Machinelo.
Ne mepego miena na ya moto.
You may pay Chinelo me some pay in podcast.
Chineka pay your own. Let's
park. When you park, then we'll try again.
Yeah.
Your heads up with that? Yeah, get it day. And then no busy and no. Thank you, Uche. Bye bye. Say hi to the camera. Hi. So bye.
Yeah, Miss Antende.
Oh, bye.
Every single day after school, this is how. Yes, Kaito is sleeping. This is how Kaito passes out. Uche, you can carry him. Kobe, why did you rub marker on Kaito's leg? Say sorry, Kaito.
Sorry, Kaito.
You guys are adorable fat face. Horrible. Coco, how are you? I love you, Coco. Come on. What? The baby girl. Kaka, how are you? How are you? No, no, no. Sit down, baby.
Not sleeping.
Hmm?
This cat always sleeping.
Kaka is sleeping.
Yes,
What's Kobe doing?
he's sleeping.
Kobe is not sleeping. Kobe is here.
Mommy Kobe is sleeping.
Kobe is not sleeping. My Kobe is here. Say bye, guys. No,
Mommy,
not
you want
welcome
to
back.
call
Say bye.
Daddy. Bye.
You want to call daddy?
Yes.
Oh yeah, say bye, guys, so that we'll call daddy.
Don't you call Daddy?
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
So guys, I'll see you guys in my next vlog.
Mommy.
Hmm?
Oh.
To me, you're so cute. So cute. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I just wanted to come out here, Coco. I just wanted to come out here and end this vlog. Say bye.
Bye.